Okay, so here's my two jumper wires. Okay, and I've got to strip those back here a little bit, and I'm going to have to connect these under these two wires. Okay, and I think I'm going to cut these wires back just a little bit and straighten them out a little. I don't really think they need to be out here this far. I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and I'm just going to do it with my pliers. Right there at that tip, right there. That worked out pretty slick. I'm just going to straighten the ends a little bit. My wire stripper's out here, and strip this wire back. And I'm going to look, that's about right for the red. Okay. And so now I'm going to take these black wires and I'm going to kind of hold it like that. Because see, I need these two black wires to stay together, and I need the new wires coming out. Okay. Yeah, it would have been so much easier with those tabs on this wire nut. There's no way that's tight enough. None. So I'm going to have to do this business and get it a little bit tighter. I'm not over tightening it or anything. Okay, pull on that, make sure they're all tight in there. Okay, so now I've got to get this in to the box here. Okay, push that in like that. Get that, hold my mouth just right. And that's right, my phone goes off. Hello? Yeah, when you want your phone to go off, just start the camera. So see, now I push the wire nuts in there like that. I've got one of those wires, and I'm pushing it back far enough, and I'm sure my light switch is going to be good in there. My ceiling fan switch is going to be good in there. Okay. And so now I'm going to angle one of those wires back out over here like that. Okay, that's for one switch. And I have my other one right over here. This goes up to the ceiling fan. And so there you go. Here's all set up for this light switch for the shower. This one is set up for the ceiling fan switch. Okay, we ready to install this? This is our light switch for the shower. We're just about ready for this, but there's one important thing we have to do to this particular switch before we put it in a cut-in box. I'll tell you that in a minute.